Enabling two-factor authentication on Dropbox adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and then navigate to the Security tab. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on the Edit button next to it and toggle the switch to enable two-factor authentication. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your verification codes. You can choose to receive codes via text message or through an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred method. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your verification method, Dropbox will ask you to enter a code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app. Enter the code to finalize the setup process. You may also be given backup codes to use in case you lose access to your primary method. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Dropbox account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your backup codes in a safe place.